It looks so big on the TV, but it's nice though.
Oh my god, we're here in real life.
Let's go on the right.
This.
We're here. They're putting up the tent now.
I think that's a long way drop.
There's a boat. No.
Just mind your business.
It makes me
We got
scared.
room over here.
Don't go out there.
Our room's down there.
But I thought I was gonna do
Me and Pookie, wait, like.
Did you unlock the document for Sean?
This room is
Your parents.
my parents.
Yeah, because the one that you gave them has a cot or something, right?
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi.
Who's about to open my door? Hi, baby.
Hi. We're over here walking up and down like, where are you guys?
Infinity pool is bigger
Green, yeah. Case, come here. Case, come back.
I'm sorry, I thought y'all come in here. Okay, alright, that's fine.
What happened?
These were supposed to be here.
Oh.
That's right.
sun skin if you see. And when you send message, I only get heart and thumbs up.
I didn't even see your message, darling.
I've been sending messages and we just get thumbs up.
Well, it was your
Babes,
brother that
babes.
started it.
You have to understand, that's just how group chats work.
So here
I take credit for my hard work.
Me not take credit for nothing, you know.
Guess who sit where?
Say hi, Pop.
So we're, hey, what's up? Yellow, what's up?
Yeah. So this is where the ceremony will take place. Yeah, so we'll be up here where we're getting married. This is where the process is.
By the doors.
Yeah, we'll have the groomsmen and bridesmaids will be staggered down the stairs. We'll be able to walk down here. You guys will be right on the
so
lawn.
this is where the ceremony is
This is where everybody will sit. On this side and this
I think we
side.
should sit on opposite sides so you can actually see his face, not his back.
Oh, wait,
What do you mean now?
What do you mean?
Meaning you guys, not because you're on this side, mean they should sit on this side. I think they should sit on the other side.
Oh.
When you're
Oh, so that we can see your
standing,
face.
Oh, so
and then
okay,
they
the
can
his,
see
yeah.
Our
his
parents
back.
can see.
I didn't think it would. I thought we would all mingle together because
I mean, it's
it's not like it's a even number of people. Yeah. Okay.
I don't care, yeah.
And so
Okay.
this is their room over here.
Oh, okay. It would have been shown in the that he's with the
Oh, okay, got you. This milk kind of front is in here too. You want to open the door and leave it?
They're gonna have to ear.
At least they have a privacy though.
They do have a door for the bathroom.
So this works good. Because I was saying, if white schools anything like this, I was looking at the privacy because I was going to get walk up on something. This one has a door. This one has a door though. Oh.
Left best to the imagination, no?
Big shower.
Yeah, this is the only one that has a lower seat.
It's only
Oh, this is the parents. This is
only one bed. So we work for us.
Huh?
It's only one bed in here.
Oh, that one's a big
It's a
shower.
bathroom.
No, which place that? Oh, no, that was in, that was in Treasure Beach, babe.
Oh, Treasure Beach, okay.
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh, nice. Yeah, oh, nice. They got nice to the deck. Oh, wow. You can get a shirt set. Okay.
So this is where the step leads.
This is the main
This
floor.
one? This is the main floor.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is our penthouse.
Oh, yeah, you get the penthouse. Oh, yeah.
with the big ominous door, like something from Hogwarts.
Look at that view. Nice. So,
We got an area overlooking.
oh my goodness. Nice.
So this is where the boys are gonna hang out.
Oh, this is what they're gonna get ready.
Yeah, in that room. So that's gonna be kids and Julie's room. So they're gonna get ready here. They can chill out here. There's a kitchenette here.
Okay. So
And
this
then
was
this
a
is
package
table
deal.
They said not today. So yeah, this is the awesome.
Somebody left a Keurig thing. Up here, Pop.
So whose room is this one?
Kids and Andre.
This is the room. That's the room.
This is where I'll be changing.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where the boys will be getting ready. Oh! Oh, and then there's another tub around the corner.
Oh yeah, we already went down here.
For some of this iron.
Let's go up,
There's
Another room that has an
up, and away.
this rooftop.
Careful, Mama.
Where you see everything. And then there's another one. So you can see everything. Might be pretty at night with the lights.
Oh yeah.
But when you think about the island, they're coming from the Europe, coming down. They're coming
Chrissy,
that side first.
say hi, babes.
It is wedding day. It is the morning of the wedding, the big day that we've all been waiting for. I'm in my room. Look at that view. I'm waiting for the makeup artist to come so she can do my hair and start everybody's makeup and stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna be fully vlogging the day. This will probably be a very chaotic day, but you know, we'll just see how the day goes. We're praying for good weather, good vibes, and a smooth timeline. So we'll see. Photographer over here, P-Mac. Got the flowers. Got everything laid out. Got our seating chart. Logie over here chilling. How are you feeling, Mrs. Baker to be? Thumbs up, just a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to say to your future husband?
I don't have nothing to say.
Matron of honor, any advice for the bride?
Lots. Don't lose your individuality. Forgive. Compromise.
Amen. This is the maid of honor, and I am happy to be at your wedding, and I hope that you and Nick live a prosperous life, and I will be there right by your side. Love you.
Are we good? You want me to open it again? Close it? One more time?
Day after the wedding, we chilling. Let's try.
Oh yeah, I know, for sure, for sure. Looking for that shot, that perfect shot. All right. Yeah.
We are leaving the castle today, and it is a beautiful day. I did not do any crazy vlogging for you guys this time. Of course I did. Because it was very busy. So I didn't give you guys a tour. It's still up. But this is the place. Moving out.